the way we are going to proceed today in the class, right? So please take out your PDF. Okay, in the last class, what we were talking about was, I think we were talking about fungi, right? Fungi armor porcelain?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think we have talked about the mycelia, the plant body of fungi, right? We have used certain words called as hyphae, mycelium, monokaryotic, dikaryotic. We have talked about the septa, right? A septa is not continuous pore like a dolipore, the normal septa, right? Dolipore is a characteristic of which class? Basidiomycetes. And we have talked about, we have given some information about spores. No? Spores are information is thin wall, thick wall, exogenous, endogenous in origin. Next, we have talked about mitospores and meiospores. I think this is the portion we have done in the last class. What was the last topic you all had written?
Ma'am, spores.
Spores, na? Okay. Now, in the spore portion, I think you will see in the note, we have written something called as mitospores and meiospores. Did I tell you how to identify a mitospore and a meiospore? The question might be given as such. Which one spores did and you are asked to identify which one is a mitospore and which one is a meiospore. Or the question could be which one is asexually produced spore and which one is sexually produced spore. Sexually produced spores will have those spores. Asexually produced spores would be called as mitospores, right? So if I say a spore like basidiospore, so will it be a mitospore or will it be a meiospore? Next is maybe sporangiospore. Mitospore hoy na meiospore hoy? I think I did not say that in the last class. Okay. Listen, just to identify, if suppose a question is asked like that, sporangiospore and you are asked to identify mitospore produced spore, meiospore produced spore, meiospore, mitospore. Out of all the spores that we have talked, बहुत किता spore कथा কৈছো আজি आरु कम, right? So what we know is that the spore that has a connection or the names has a connection with the class. For example, if I say Basidiospore, Basidiospore is a spore of the class Basidiomycetes. Similarly, if I say Ascospore, Ascospores belong to a class called as Ascomycetes. Similarly, Oospores, Zygospores, etc. Oomycetes or spore to Zygomycetes or spore. These are nothing but classes of fungi. So in the spore, if you see the name of the class itself, then that is a trick to identify that those are meiospores. On the other hand, spores like zoospores, not related with any specific class, no? Ascospores boli to koa nai, but Basidiospores boli to koa nai. Similarly, if I use the word sporangiospore, not related, the name of the class is nowhere written. So that is the way you remember. যদি ক্লাছৰ লগত নামটো মিলি যায় এবিলাক হ'ব মিওস্পোৰ এতিয়া মই যদি খুদু বেসিডিওস্পোৰ মাইটোস্পোৰ নে মিওস্পোৰ কি কবা
meiospore.
It is a meiospore because basidio আছে ন ক্লাছ কোনটো Basidiomycetes যদি মই কওঁ sporangiosপোৰ কোনো ক্লাছৰ লগত ৰিলেটেড নাই so that's the way to identify এটো কি হ'ব মাইটোস্পোৰ right okay next is what we will talk about is about I think reproduction is the last point that we have talked, right? Asexual reproduction or PDF of H2. Asexual reproduction, we know in case of fungi, we see three types of reproduction, that is vegetative reproduction, asexual reproduction, and sexual reproduction. Did I complete this part in the last class? Then I kora. Asexual reproduction discuss koriছিলো নেকি?
Nai kora, ma'am.
Nai kora, no. Okay. When we talk about asexual reproduction, obviously key by spores and by different types of spores. Jeneke zoospores, sporangiospores, aru ki asile? Amidospores, right? Next. Right? Oidea, aru ki asile? Onidia, right? Egita hol asexually produced spore. Now, when we use the word zoospore, আমি কি জানো যে এটা spore zoospore বুলি কেতিয়া কম যেতিয়া তাৰ flagella থাকিব, yes or no? Right? So it is a motile spore. Etu ki hoy? Motile rest. Non-motile. Again, zoospores could be uniflagellate or it could be biflagellate also. Adult flagella thakibo pare, dual flagella thakibo pare. Right? So we have a term called as diplanetism. Go to the PDF. That is a word is a diplanetism. Diplanetism mane ki? The phenomenon of having two zoospores, right? So zoospores, zoospore ki hoy? Flagellated spore. Zoospores bilak co form koribo inside zoosporangium, the house of the zoospore. Coming to the next spore, sporangiospore. How does a sporangiospore look like? Something like this, right? So these are the spores. These are called as sporangiospores. The house of the sporangiospores, ki boli kom? Sporangia. So sporangiospores, sporangia, and this structure will have a stalk, and this is called as sporangiophore. Phore mane stalk, right? Example swa ki dia ase? Ki dia ase? Rhizopus, mucor, right? So this is a sporangiospore. Next we have chlamydospore. Chlamydospore, please go to the next page. No, we have, I think according to the PDF, the next one is Poniria. Poniria ki monot rakhiba, yar por bahut question ahe. Duta example monot rakhiba laibo, eta hol penicillium aru eta hol aspergillus, right? That is the first one. Ki monot rakhiba, examples kini about this one. Next is the diagram of Poniria. So keneke dia ase? You have the mycelium, you have chain of spores. Spores bilak keneke dekhiba? Arranged in the form of chain, right? Next is Poniria exogenously formed and endogenously formed. Enukwa dhoroner jodi eta structure dekha poa, ei spores bilak exogenous in origin ne endogenous in origin? Last class we have talked about what is endogenous and what is exogenous. যদি কিবা এটা স্ট্রাকচাৰৰ ভিতৰত স্পোৰ্স বিলাক ফৰ্ম কৰে, that is endogenous. যদি মাইসেলিয়ামৰ বাহিৰ বা মাইসেলিয়ামৰ একো স্ট্রাকচাৰৰ ভিতৰত ফৰ্ম কৰা নাই, তেতিয়া তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sporangiospores বিলাক endogenous ne exogenous in origin?
Ma'am, endogenous.
Endogenous in origin, very good. Next, oidia ki kolo? Example saba, diagram saba. Kitiaba ki kore je PDF or junto diagram dia ase no? Please see the diagram. In that diagram itself, each and every part has been mentioned. There are certain words called as sterigmata, remi, neptule. Paisa na jate? Diagram to dekha paisa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So sometimes the question might be asked like that also. They identify the part, no? That diagram to tumar enike di dibo. Suppose we are talking about this as, right? A2 enike di pelai ako flash shape thakibo, and then you have the spores, right? So you could be asked to identify this part or this part or this part, right? So diagram to apun bhalke sabai. Each and every part has been marked in your PDF. So what to do is zoospore key point mono rakhiba, flagellated spore, that is very important. In a sporangiospore, endogenously formed, right? Endogenously formed aru thin walled. If a spore is thin walled, then is it formed in favorable condition or unfavorable condition? Thin walled.
Unfavorable.
If a spore has a thin wall, then the spore is formed during favorable condition or unfavorable condition?
Ma'am, favorable condition.
Favorable condition. Thick wall hole unfavorable, right? Next is chlamydospore. Chlamydospore person first time ki likha ase thick wall, so obviously unfavorable condition, right? Example ki diya ase rhizopus. অলপ আগতে আমি sporangiosporeৰ example কি দিছিলো rhizopus Clemaidospore example ki rhizopus, right? So what we can understand is rhizopus during favorable condition, rhizopus during unfavorable condition. During favorable condition, and ki form kore sporangiospore. During unfavorable condition, rhizopus ki form kore Clemaidospores. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Maybe terminal or intercalary, the words have been depicted in the diagram. I think it's understood. If the ekdom mycelium or tip of terminal, mycelium form intercalary, not very important. Next is oidea. Oidea is also a thin wall spore, motile and non-motile, non-motile, right? Out of this portion, no, asexual reproduction. Clemaidospore key important hoy unfavorable condition. Next important example 2 rhizopus. Rhizopus during unfavorable condition reproduces by means of Clemaidospores. Rhizopus during favorable condition reproduces by means of Sporangiospores. Clear? So asexual
Yes,
reproduction of part 2, what you will see? Three things. First is an example. Second, the diagram gutekita sabo na lage okol sporangiospore saba aru conidia saba. Examples important, two of the diagrams are important, and third is the words endogenous and exogenous, favorable condition and unfavorable condition. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I did not write the lecture number, no? Lecture number 7 likhiba de. Asko pahori thakim. Okay. After asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction, right? Sexual reproduction ki monot rakhiba. Whenever we talk about sexual reproduction, it was first noticed in the kingdom called as Protista. Protista pisot jiman bila kingdom ase sobote sexual reproduction dekha. In fungi also, we see sexual reproduction. In plants also, we see sexual reproduction. But the normal type of sexual reproduction that we talk about, no? Cancer sexual reproduction of kotha ko. Aru fungi sexual reproduction of kotha ko duitar majote difference ase. What is the difference? The difference is, the first point is sexual reproduction of fungi and pride. Obviously, pride. Sexual reproduction is conducted in three steps or three stages. Tinta stage thake, ha? A tinta stage ki prothome je likhi lo. Plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis, ha? Tar mane sexual reproduction in fungi is completed only when these three steps are completed. A tinta step tomorrow sexual reproduction hobo. Now, what is the difference between the normal type of sexual reproduction and fungi? So, in case of plants, no, normal plants or higher plants, whatever, maybe you are talking about angiosperms. Jar kothai koa? Angiosperms hobo pare, gymnosperms hobo pare, bryophytes hobo pare, pteridophytes hobo, whatever. Right? Whenever we talk about sexual reproduction, what is the basic necessity? Basic ki lagibo? Gametes? Yes or no? Right? Gametes will you have a male gamete, you have a female gamete. Maybe this is a male gamete, this is a female gamete. Ki hobo? Duitar fertilization by fusion ji kwa. Fusion hoi pelai ki form koribo? The male gamete and the female gamete will fuse together to form ki form kore? Twice and a cell to naam ki?
Zygote.
Zygote, and then this zygote will form ki embryo and etc. Right? A2 whole normal type of sexual reproduction that we see. In case of fungi, the type of sexual reproduction that we see is, we'll talk about it as diagram. Jihetu fungi sexual reproduction ase, here also you need two gametes. Right? Etuta ki hoy? Gametes. Gametes ki koribo? Fuse koribo. Fuse kori pelai eta cell form koribo. Jeneke tahati etu ki hoy? This is nothing but a cell. So in this case also they will form a cell, but this cell will have look into the diagram. এইখিনিলৈকে প্ৰথমে বুজি চোৱাচোন ইয়াতে কি হৈছে this is a cell this is a cell right haploid will ultimately fuse and form a diploid cell but in this case this is a cell this cell will have a nucleus this will have a nucleus what is the ploidy obviously if you're talking about gametes it will be n but ami directly zygote formation dekha nai instead because of their fusion we see a cell with two nuclei and this is what is called as board dekha paisa so fungi ki hoy এইটো কি টুৱাইস এন ন ইহঁতেও টুৱাইস এন সেল এটা ফৰ্ম কৰিছে ঠিক আছে কিন্তু ইমিডিয়েটলি ফৰ্ম কৰা নাই এই টুৱাইস এন সেলটো কি বুলি কম syncaryon right next is this syncaryon will undergo meiosis and ultimately eta cell form koribo is the point understood. So,
Yes,
in
ma'am.
case of fungi, sexual reproduction is slightly different. It consists of three steps, that is plasmogamy, karyogamy, and meiosis. What is the first step of cell division? What is the first step of sexual reproduction? Plasmogamy. What happens in plasmogamy? A dikaryon is formed. After plasmogamy, what is the next step? Karyogamy. What is the product of karyogamy? Syncaryon. That is the second step. So karyogamy pisot ki hobo meiosis. Now, a gamete duta fuse kori pelai eta cell form koribo with two nuclei. This process is called as ki plasmogamy. So what actually is happening is a duta cellor they will fuse together means what the cytoplasm will fuse but their nuclei will not fuse. In case of normal plants, what we see N forming twice N. In this cell, you have the cytoplasm of this cell, nucleus of this cell, nucleus of this cell, all fusing together and ultimately we have a structure like this. But in this case, we have this cell and this cell. In this structure or in the dikaryon, we see the cytoplasm of this cell and the cytoplasm of this cell fusing together. But the nucleus of this cell and the nucleus of this cell do not fuse. They will remain separately. So, a cell to come dikaryon. Dikaryon ki hoy product plasmogamy. After plasmogamy, the next step is karyogamy. Karyogamy. Karyo has come from what? The word nucleus. Right? Karyogamy. Our gamy mane fusion or marriage. So next step of ki hobo a nucleus to fuse kori like ki form korile twice n ইয়াতে nuclei bilak ase yar ploidy kiman n what is the ploidy here n ultimately they will fuse and they will form a diploid nucleus this product this cell with a diploid nuclei is called as the syncaryon. Syncaryon is the product of which process? It is a product of karyogamy. So sexual reproduction consists of three steps. This is step number 1. Karyogamy is step number 2. This syncaryon will undergo meiosis. This is step number 3. And because of meiosis, the cells or the gametes would be formed. Is it clear? Everyone clear? Okay. Next is another point is until and unless a dikaryon is formed, sexual reproduction will never be complete in case of fungi. Fungi যদি sexual reproduction হ'ব লাগে তেতিয়া হলে সদায় dikaryon form কৰিবই লাগিব আৰু dikaryon কেনেকৈ form কৰিব by the process of plasmogamy. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
in your notes, what is written is in page number, I think 120. Right? That ki diya ase Swastin? right? A page by sunlight. Types of plasmogamy means in different fungi, plasmogamy could be of different types, right? So accordingly, how is the dikaryon formed? We have different types of plasmogamy. We have mentioned 5 types of plasmogamy in the note. Out of these 5 types, details so dia ase. Bahut beshi important details ko nohoy, but what is very important is tatik koi thua somatogamy and spermatization. Right? So we have 5 things, that is gametangial contact, gametangial copulation, spermatization, and somatogamy. Point to be remembered, in case of higher fungi, we see the process of spermatization and somatogamy. Is the point clear? And whenever we talk about higher fungi, we are talking about what? The class Ascomycetes, and the highest fungi is Basidiomycetes. Lower fungi, plasmogamy keneke dekha pao? Either by gametangial contact or by gametangial copulation or by planogametic fusion. Planogametic fusion not important. ठीक है? Kintu in case of higher fungi, especially in Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes, what do you see? Plasmogamy occurs by sexual reproduction occurs by either spermatization or somatogamy. Is the point clear? What is spermatization? We'll understand. It is line to mono rakhiba, huh? Higher plants of higher fungi keneke hoy. Next, as far as the 2 words, no, gametangial contact and gametangial copulation, diagram so diya ase, just read, don't by heart. Nothing has been asked from there. Tarpor portion of key question is the fungi that undergo sexual reproduction by gametangial contact. So after every diagram, there are certain examples that are given, and you need to read only those examples. You don't need to by heart the diagram. Diagrammatic questions are not asked. Gametangial contact and gametangial copulation. Let's understand the meaning. Okay. So plasmogamy keneke hobo pare? Right? First, what is gametangial? Gametangial word has come from the word gametangium. Gametangium mane ki? What is gametangium? Sporangium sana. What is sporangium? The house of the spores is called as sporangium. The house of the gamete is called as gametangium. Here, please interact in the class, else I'll not be able to cover the portion. Time waste hobo. Right? So please let's do a little bit faster. So is the term understood? The house of the gamete is called as gametangium. When we are talking about gametes, we are talking about the male gamete and the female gamete. Male gamete junto ghorot thake or junto organot thake, the sex organ is called as male gametangium. And if you're talking about the female gamete, the organ in which the female gamete is found is called as the female gametangium. From the word gametangium, the word gametangium has arisen. Talking about male sex organ and female sex organ, I think you have heard something called as archegonium, antheridium. Ebla kunisan nai. What is antheridium? Male sex organ. What is archegonium? Female sex organ. Inside that organ, you see the female. So similarly, this word has come from this word, gametangium. So in case of gametangial contact and in case of gametangial copulation, what is contact and what is copulation? Which are meaning key. You have one gametangia, you have the other gametangia. Jehetu sexual reproduction you need the male gamete, you need the female gamete. Where is the male gamete form? In the male gametangium. Where is the female gamete form? In the female gametangium. Gametangial contact mane ki, this male gametangium and this female gametangium will come and meet with each other. This is what is called as contact. What is copulation? This is the male gametangium, this is the female gametangium. They will meet and fuse with each other. That is called as copulation. Mujhe palune contact and copulation.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So in this case, plasmogamy occurs by gametangial contact. You have one hyphae, তাতে এটা gametangia form কৰিব, আৰু এটা hyphae আছে, আৰু এটা gametangia form কৰিব, দুইটাই a common wall to dissolve for it, they will form a structure. This is called as copulation, right? You have a mycelium where you have the gametangia. This is the mycelium, another gametangia. They will just meet. This is called as contact. Diagram has been given. Tolot thaka examples were important বুলি লিখি থোৱা. Gametangial contact or key example দিয়া আছে elbow bow আৰু pythium. Yes, Lira.
Ma'am, আপুনি gametangial copulation PDF টো নিদিলে নেকি বাৰু?
দিয়া আছে gametangial contact or পিছৰ diagram টো চোৱা
contact টো লৈকে পালো
contact লৈকে আছে
contact লৈকে
বাকিখিনি তোমালোকে পোৱা নাই নেকি বাকিখিনি PDF পোৱা নাই
নাই পোৱা
Ma'am, নাই পোৱা
Oh, it is only till this stage that you got it, right? বাকিখিনি পোৱা নাই এতিয়ালৈকে
only for
only contact.
No, ma'am.
Oh, you should have told me before. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's do one thing. Since you did not receive the PDF, right, from this page onwards, what do? Please take out paper, right? The points that I say, you mark it down, understanding what I read it in the class. You get a point important, likhi jaba. The first point that you will write, gametangial copulation or example, important. I think you understood the process, gametangial contact and gametangial copulation, right? The two sex organs will either meet. Okay, gametangial word to kopra ahise gametangium pora. ঠিক আছে এটা male gametangium eta female gametangium দুইটা meet hoise meet kori pelai jodi plasmogamy hoise gametangial contact eta gametangium duita meet kori pelai fuse kori pelai plasmogamy hoise that is gametangial copulation বুজি পাইছো নে
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
meeting and copulating is different meet you meet etu tumi dekha paisa they have just met right কিন্তু copulation কি হবো etu organ দুইটা আহি পেলাই you will not see the organs again they will fuse and form a different structure that is called as copulation clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so gametangial copulation of examples important gametangial copulation code dekha pao in the class zygomycetes gametangial copulation code dekha pao zygomycetes aru gametangial contact code dekha pao oomycetes right what is oomycetes what is zygomycetes we'll do it little later etu part clear hol
Yes, ma'am.
Next, plasmogamy by spermatization or plasmogamy by somatogamy. First point key seen in higher fungi like Ascomycetes, Basidiomycetes. Clear? Spermatization or diagram to swan. In the process of spermatization, what happens is spores are formed. Kisuman spore form kore. These spores are called as spermatia. These spermatia are carried by agencies. Right? So edal mycelium ase aru edal mycelium ase ei mycelium dal etu eta fungi ei fungi dalot during the process of sexual reproduction plasmogamy hobo lagile swat right so yaha pe ki form koribo kisuman spores form koribo and don't get confused between this spore and conidia Conidia ki monot rakhibo lagibo that all the spores are lined and attached to each other forming a chain. Tetiya hai conidia. But in this case, they are not forming chains, right? We are just showing the process. Spores produce korile, spores bilakok ami ki buli koisu spermatia. এই স্পাৰ্মেচিয়া বিলাকত থাকিব এটা এটা নিউক্লিয়াছ থাকিব ন এই স্পাৰ্মেচিয়া বিলাক বেলেগ বেলেগ ফাঞ্জাইৰ ওপৰত গৈ পেলাই attach হ'ব suppose we are talking about this spermatia with the help of maybe air almost like pollination that is seen in case of higher plants or ki hoy pollen grain is carried from the anther to the stigma of another flower through various agencies right or wrong
Yes,
Right,
ma'am.
ma'am.
right so similarly pollination or nisinake jedi plasmogamy form kore that is called as spermatization it is a characteristic of higher fungi right so in this case what we observe is both spores form korise a spore to suppose we are talking about this one as specific carried by wind and it gets attached with this mycelium this is another fungi this is another fungi right so yate form korar pisot next is the diagram junto cellot fuse korise no junto cellot attached hoise right this wall will dissolve and it will form a structure like this and the next diagram is a cell into nucleus asile a nucleus to a2 cellot humai jabo ultimately we will get a cell with two nuclei and that is called as what dikaryon if plasmogamy occurs by this method or by the formation of spore-like structures that is called as spermatia, the process is called as spermatization. Clear or not clear?
I'm clear.
Clear? Kunbilak
Yeah.
fungi etu bostu dekha baba? Give me an example. Which class of fungi? Kuntu fungi dekha baba? In case of higher fungi, that is Ascomycetes and Basidiomycetes. So there are just 3 points that you remember: spermation formation, carried by agencies, and characteristic of higher fungi. Example. That's all. Next is somatogamy. Plasmogamy by this process occurs in again higher fungi. Kunbilak higher fungi? Generally, we talk about Basidiomycetes. So Basidiomycetes of sexual reproduction keneke hoy, somatogamy hoy, spermatization hoy. What happens in somatogamy? Somato means what? Body. Gamy means fusion. So in this case, you will see two mycelium. At the starting of the process, duta mycelium dekha paba. Next step of ki hobo? This and this cell, this mycelium and this mycelium will form a connection link. Next, this nucleus will move to this cell and ultimately what you will see is বুঝি পাইছেন নাই চোৱা sexual reproduction if you are talking about in fungi what is the most important point formation of a dikaryon how is the dikaryon formed by the process called as plasmogamy how does plasmogamy occur it occurs by gametangial contact or copulation or spermatization or somatogamy in higher fungi plasmogamy occurs by spermatization and somatogamy in case of spermatization what happens spermatia or spore-like structures are formed. They are carried to the other mycelium by agencies like water, air, insects, etc. And then they form a dikaryon. In case of somatogamy, what happens? Two mycelial cells will fuse with each other. Ultimately, will form a dikaryon. That is what is called a somatogamy. Any questions?
মানে ইয়াতে লিংকটো যে ফৰ্ম কৰিলে মানে কেনেকে কৰিলে
এইটো এটা mycelium, এইটো এটা mycelium. এইটো cell, fuse হৈ যাব ইয়াৰ cytoplasm এটোৰ লগত fuse কৰিব ইয়াৰে nucleus ইয়াত আহি যাব so ultimately যদি body cell fuse কৰি পেলাই dikaryon form কৰিছে তাক আমি কম somatogamy যদি spermaceaৰ কাৰণে dikaryon form কৰিছে তাক আমি কম spermatization
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Clear?
মানে যোনপাত ফৰ্ম কৰিছে হেডখৰ পৰা নিউক্লিয়াছটো আহিব ন মানে তাৰ ওপৰৰ বা তেনেকে হেইটো নাহিব
এইটো চেলৰ লগত ফিউজ কৰিব পাৰে এইটো চেলৰ লগত ফিউজ কৰিব পাৰে এইটো চেলৰ লগত ফিউজ কৰিব পাৰে দুডাল mycelium আছে septate mycelium since we are talking about higher class right so you have a mycelium this one you have a mycelium this one this is septate this is also septate so cell abu ase এইবিলাকৰ nucleus থাকে so any cell of this mycelium and this mycelium can fuse together so that is what is called as somatogamy
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? What about the rest of the students? Is it clear? কিবা doubts আছে যদি সোধা আমি কি ডিসকাস কৰিছো reproduction কেনেকে হয় ফাঞ্জাই sexual asexual vegetative কেনেকে হ'ব segmentation we don't discuss that now asexual reproduction by different types of spores we have discussed sexual reproduction in fungi occurs in three steps plasmogamy karyogamy meiosis what is the product of plasmogamy a dikaryon what is a dikaryon a cell that has twice n nucleus or diploid nucleus that is called as a dikaryon after plasmogamy what is the next step karyogamy what is the product of karyogamy a synkaryon right synkaryon dikaryon কি দেখিব it is one cell with two unfused nuclei এটা cellত দুটা nuclei separately থাকিব what will be the ploidy of the nuclei n আৰু n দুটা nuclei আছে ন দুইটাৰ ploidy কি হ'ব n plasmogamy পিছত কি হ'ব synkaryon form কৰিব synkaryon কেনেকে form কৰে the two unfused nuclei of the dikaryon will fuse together and ultimately they will form a twice n structure that is what is called as synkaryon synkaryon কোনে form কৰে karyogamy synkaryon form কৰে what happens to the synkaryon the synkaryon undergoes meiosis and produces gametes again clear
Yes, ma'am.
clear ma'am okay so just remember one point until and unless dikaryon is formed sexual reproduction will not be complete in fungi dikaryon form কৰিবই লাগিব next কি আছে classification in fungi pdf খন নাপাই পেলাই দিগদাৰি হৈ গ'ল আজি classification of fungi as I said কেইটা ক্লাস আছে 4 classes কি কি Phycomycetes Ascomycetes Basidiomycetes Deuteromycetes some of the points Phycomycetes of কি বুলি কয় lower fungi Ascomycetes sac fungi Basidiomycetes club fungi Deuteromycetes imperfect fungi or fungi imperfecti clear why is it called as sac fungi sac because the fruiting body juntu body ভিতৰত spores বিলাক থাকিব in this class looks like a sac and so they are called as sac fungi ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত spore বিলাক থাকিব এইটো কেনেকুৱা দেখাত sac like and so this class is called as sac fungi Basidiomycetes is called as club fungi because their fruiting body looks like a club আৰু ইয়াতে কি হ'ব তাহাতে spores বিলাক form কৰিব basidio spores বিলাক form কৰিব সেইকাৰণে তাহাতে কি বুলি কৈছে club fungi বুলি কৈছে Deuteromycetes are called as fungi imperfecti or imperfect fungi why are they called as imperfect because in this class of fungi sexual reproduction is not observed clear যিকোনো এটা ফাঞ্জাই ডিসকভাৰ কৰিলে বা যিকোনো এটা ফাঞ্জাই তুমি ষ্টাডি কৰি আছা and in your study you have completed all the studies regarding anatomy, morphology, physiology, everything, but you could not find the sexual reproduction process occurring in that fungi. So where will you place the fungi? In which class? It will be placed in this class. Any fungi without sexual reproduction belongs to which class of fungi? It belongs to Deuteromycetes. Since the members of this class do not show sexual reproduction or sexual reproduction is absent, so they are called as imperfect fungi. Is the point here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Next. So in your PDF, you have a chart. ঠিক আছে? এই classification খন কি ফৰ্মত আছে? এখন chart ফৰ্মত আছে। ক'ত আছে? PDF ত। PDF ৰ গোটেইকেইটা point পঢ়িবা। ঠিক আছে? All the points are important. In the first point, just listen to it, okay? Since you don't have your PDF in front of you. Secondly, I should not be wasting my time and your time writing it down again. Here to PDF of asset, let's understand. So, chart asset, Saita class asset, and I'm going to say the points about it. First, what they are called as. They are called as lower fungi, stack fungi, club fungi, imperfect fungi. Second is about mycelium. How does the plant body look like? In lower fungi, mycelium বিলাক কি হ'ব? Septate নে aseptate?
Accepted.
Last class we have already said. It will be aseptate. If it is aseptate, it will be monokaryotic, dikaryotic, ne synophytic.
Sinusitic.
Clear? In this case, septate, monokaryotic. Septate, both monokaryotic and dikaryotic. This phase is long-lived. In this case, either it could be septate or it could be aseptate. It could be monokaryotic or it could be dikaryotic. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Second or third point is asexual reproduction. In case of Saccharomyces, asexual reproduction is by different types of spores like zoospores, sporangiospores, conidia, oidea, etc. In case of Ascomycetes, it is conidia. এইটোৰ ওপৰত question আহে। Mark কৰিবা। ঠিক আছে? In case of Basidiomycetes, আকৌ এইটোৰ ওপৰত question আহে। Asexual reproduction does not play a major role. And in case of Deuteromycetes, it is conidia again. Clear? Important kuntu, Basidiomycetes of asexual reproduction does not play a major role. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, sexual reproduction. In case of lower fungi, sexual reproduction occurs by isogamy, oogamy. I think you remember what is isogamy, anisogamy, and oogamy. কিন্তু মনত আছে?
আছে, ma'am.
Okay. In case of Ascomycetes, the point that is important is it occurs by oogamy, but male gametes are non-motile. Very important. Why it is important? Because whenever we talk about oogamous type of sexual reproduction, what was the characteristic that we have read? Isogamy hopo lagile, fusing gamete gita morphologically same. Anisogamy, the fusing gametes are morphologically different. One is small, the other is large. In oogamy, it is also morphologically different. One is small, the other is large, but the small, that is considered as a male gamete is always motile. But in case of ascomycetes, you see oogamete into male gametes like non-motile. So non-motile male gametes is the characteristic of which class? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. In case of basidiomycetes, sex organs are absent. Again, this is important. Sex organs are absent, right? Sex organs absent. So ultimately, আমি এইটো পঢ়িছোৱে ন basidiomycetes of sexual reproduction কেনেকে হয় either spermatization or somatogamy. Spermatization and somatogamy, if it has to occur, there is no necessity for sex organs because in spermatization, what we have seen, the mycelium will produce spores and the spores will behave like gametes. You do not need an organ where the gametes are present. Similarly, in case of somatogamy, also two cells will fuse with each other. So you don't need a specific organ inside which the gametes would be present. So is the point clear? Basidiomycetes of sexual reproduction কেনেকে হয়? Spermatization এ হয় নাহলে somatogamy এ হয়। Spermatization process of sex organ দরকার নাই কারণ somatogamy sex organ দরকার নাই কারণ দুটা cell fuse করব। Clear?
Yes, ma'am. মানে ইয়াত
In
somatogamy
case-
নাম লগা
Spermatization নহলে somatogamy. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Deuteromycetes, sexual reproduction. Absent. Next, যেহেতু sexual reproduction of কথা কৈ আছো ন, you have to know something called as fruiting body. Fruiting body মানে কি? Remember, in the last class, আমি যেতিয়া slime molds পঢ়ি আছিলো, we have used a word called as a sporocarp. Remember the word sporocarp?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a sporocarp? Nothing but a fruiting body. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sporocarpৰ ভিতৰত কি আছিলে? Spores বিলাক আছিলে, right? Similarly, fruiting body এইকেইটা class of present or absent. That is another point that you have to learn. In case of phycomycetes, no specific fruiting body is present. Fruiting body absent. In case of ascomycetes, the fruiting body is called as ascocarp. In case of basidiomycetes, it is called as basidiocarp. বুঝি পাইছানে? And in case of deuteromycetes, it is absent. Ascomycetes or fruiting body is called as ascocarp. Inside the ascocarp, what do you have? Ascus. Inside the ascus, ascospores. How many ascospores in a ascus? 4 to 8 in number. In case of basidiomycetes, the fruiting body is called as basidiocarp. Inside the basidiocarp, you will see the basidium. Your spores বিলাক থাকিব. In the basidium, basidiospores. How many basidiospores in one basidium? 4. এটা বস্তু বুঝি পাইছানে নাই চোৱা? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes or no? Okay. Next.
Ma'am,
In case
phycomycetes
of
নাথাকিব ন?
ascom fruiting body নাথাকে lower fungi fruiting body specific fruiting body আমি দেখা নাপাও. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now Talking about this, how does the ascocarp look like? Mycelium আছে, right? এই mycelium এটা cell-like structure form কৰিব, তাক আমি কি বুলি কম? Ascus. Diagram to চাবা হা। এডাল কি mycelium, এইটো ascus, ascusৰ ভিতৰত আমি কি দেখা পাম? Spores. As of now, I'm just drawing 4 spores, কিন্তু number কিমান থাকে? 8. You have to remember, very important. This one is also very important, right? This mycelium will cover the entire structure. এনেকে cover কৰি দিব। মানে উপৰে উপৰে grow কৰিব। Entire structure is called as ascocarp. This structure is called as ascus, আৰু এইবিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো? Ascospores. Point clear? এই term কেইটা বুজিছা নাই? Ascocarp, ascus, আৰু ascospore. Just see whether it is understood or not. গোটেই fruiting body টোক কি বুলি কব? Ascocarp. Ascocarpৰ ভিতৰত কি থাকিব? Sac-like. Sac-like ascus থাকিব। Ascusৰ ভিতৰত কি থাকিব? Ascospores থাকিব। Similarly, in case of Basidiomycetes, গোটেই fruiting body টো আমি কি বুলি কম? Basidiocarp. কোনে form কৰিব? Mycelium গলে form কৰিব। Right? এইবিলাক গোটেই mycelium হয়, cover কৰি দিয়ে। এইবিলাক গোটেই mycelium হয়। Basidiocarpৰ ভিতৰত কি থাকিব? Basidium, and the fruiting body would be club shaped. এইটোত কি আছিলে? Sac-like. এইটো কি হ'ব? Club shaped. This is called as the basidium, আৰু basidiumত কি থাকিব? Basidiospores বিলাক থাকিব। So এইটো কি? Basidiospores. এইটো কি হয়? Basidium, আৰু গোটেই structure আমি কি বুলি কৈছো? Basidiocarp. চোৱা এইটা বহুত বুজি পাইছা নে নাই?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? So basidiumত কেইটা basidiospore থাকিব? 4টা। এটা ascusত কেইটা ascospore থাকিব? 8টা। Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Next question. Ascospores endogenously formed ne exogenously formed? Basidiospores endogenously formed ne exogenously formed?
Ma'am, form to endogen.
Ascospores are endogenously formed. Basidiospores
Exogenous.
exogenously formed, because this is the fruiting body, and in the fruiting body you have the spores. Inside the fruiting body you have the spores. Endogenously formed, exogenously formed. And next is certain examples. ঠিক আছে? Examples বিলাকটো পঢ়িবই লাগিব। Lower fungi examples কি? Lower fungi examples তাত লিখা আছে চাৰ্টখনত, so you read from them. We have to talk about Mucor, Rhizopas, Pythium, Phytophthora. এইবিলাক হ'ল Phycomycetes. If you are talking about Ascomycetes, Penicillium, Aspergillus, Neurospora, etc. These are called as examples of Ascomycetes. If you're talking about Basidiomycetes, the most common example obviously mushroom or agaricus. Then you have rust fungi aru sponge fungi. Fungi portion of सबसे question কি আহিছে? The disease that the fungi causes. Oomycetes or কিছুমান examples যোনে নেকি disease cause কৰে, Ascomycetes or কিছুমানে disease cause কৰে, Deuteromycetes, and similarly Basidiomycetes. First point. Second point is edible fungi. Edible fungi বুলি ক'লে obviously we remember mushroom. কিন্তু question to mushroom ওপৰত আহা নাই. Question আহিছে one example of an edible fungi that belongs to Ascomycetes. Mushroom is an example that belongs to Basidiomycetes. Right? Ascomycetes or eta fungi যোনটো নেকি আমি খাওঁ, that is Morchella. So এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ questions বোৰ important. So this was the classification that was given. Next is
Ma'am, mushroom to basidium কৰিব ন?
mushroom or scientific name Agaricus. Agaricus belongs to Basidiomycetes. Clear? So Basidiomycetes or pra সদায় এইটো example মনত ৰাখিবা আৰু বহুত আছে কিন্তু mainly agaricus or mushroom. Next is rust fungi, Puccinia, aru smut fungi, Ustilego. Egita important. This one, and this one. Ascomycetes of Erythracea important, Penicillium important, Aspergillus important, Morchella important.
Ma'am, third to কি লিখিলে?
কোনটো এইটো?
Yes, ma'am.
Smut fungi, SMUT. Smut fungi. Smut fungi কিহৰ কাৰণে কয়? Because they cause a disease that is called as smut. Rust fungi কিয় কয়? Because they cause a disease that is called as rust. Rust fungi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next. One information about this lower class, that is Phycomycetes কি হয়? Lower class of fungi, বা lowest class of fungi. Right? Ejon scientist, one scientist called as Elexopolus, what he said that Phycomycetes is not just one class, but it is made up of 6 classes. কি কৈছিলে? Phycomycetes made বুলি নকয় আৰু clear? আমি যেতিয়া classification পঢ়ো, we talk about Phyco, Esco, Basidio, and Deutero, right? So according to one scientist, that is the classification that is given. Another scientist that is called as Elexopolus, what he said, Phycomycetes is not just one class. 6 classes make that entire class that is called as Phycomycetes, and out of the 6 classes of Phycomycetes, you have to read 2 of them. এটা Oomycetes আৰু Zygomycetes কি হয়? Oomycetes and Zygomycetes are is the point clear? আসলে ক্লাস কেইটা আছে? 6টা ক্লাস আছে কিন্তু আমি কেইটা পঢ়িম? 2টা. Clear? Okay, next, certain points about Oomycetes and Zygomycetes. Oomycetes, very important point is about cell wall. Normal fungi cell wall
Cytin.
chitin or chitin or fungal cellulose. Oomycetes or cell wall of কি থাকে? Cellulose in the cell wall is a characteristic of plant kingdom. It's a characteristic of plant cell wall, right? But in case of fungi cell wall, we find chitin or chitin, but Oomycetes is one group of fungi where you see cellulose. Very, very important. First point. Second point about Oomycetes, they are also called as algal fungi. Algal fungi বুলি কিহৰ কাৰণে কৈছে? Because they are aquatic in nature. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
বাকি কেইটা point ইমান important নহয়. Third important point is obviously the examples. Talking about mycelium, mycelium কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? Septate নে aseptate? Oomycetes or mycelium কেনেকুৱা হ'ব? Septate হ'ব নে aseptate হ'ব?
Septate. Ma'am,
How
septate.
can Oomycetes be septate, my dear? Oomycetes কি হয়? Phycomycetes এটা ভিতৰৰ class নহয় জানো? ফাইকোমাইসিটিছ কি হয় লোৱাৰ ফাঞ্জাই কেনেকে mycelium আছে লোৱাৰ ফাঞ্জাই মেইন characteristic কি হয় it has aseptate mycelium oomycetes is an example of a lower fungi so what is the characteristic of the mycelium obviously aseptate yes or no
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
right so oomycetes of কি মনত ৰাখিম cell wall is made up of cellulose they are called as algal fungi some of the examples আমি যদি discuss কৰিম and fourth point is তাহাতে কি ফৰ্ম কৰিব oospore oospore is considered as the site of meiosis right so we have talked about sporangiospore angiosspore etc এতিয়া কি দেখিছো oospore mitotically it's a মানে spore for sexual reproduction নে asexual reproduction obviously sexual reproduction because we see the name of the class in this spore similarly information about zygomycetes they are also called as conjugation fungi very important right so they are called as conjugation fungi tahator mycelium kenekwa hobo again they will have aseptate mycelium itself because they also belong to phycomycetes not important but this is important second important is the examples and third is what they produce zygospore so ki poriba classification 4 classes of fungi Phyco, Esco, Basidio, Deutero. Phyco again divided into 2 classes, oomycetes and zygomycetes. Oomycetes, these are the points that are important. Zygomycetes, these are the points that are important. Question ahead, what is a conjugation fungi? Or identify the conjugation fungi. Or zygomycetes are also called as, oomycetes are also called as. Clear?
Algal fungi এবার প্রতিবন্ধ
Yes, ma'am.
algal fungi এবার
Ki fungi, please repeat again.
Ma'am, second point is the question algal heto.
Algal fungi. Oomycetes are also called as algal fungi since they are aquatic in nature. Oomycetes bilak aquatic hoy, algae bahut bilak aquatic hoy, so they are called as algal fungi. So in the copy, what you write is এই বস্তুখিনি লিখি লোৱা ওমাইচিটিছৰ কি পঢ়িবা জাইগোমাইচিটিছৰ কি পঢ়িবা in the PDF you will get many more information apart from these মই যিকিটা points লিখিলো তাতকে বহুত বেছি information আছে you just read but from examination point of view these are the points that are important clear
Yes, ma'am.
okay next এইটো part important examples of oomycetes copy khonot likhi thoi dia examples of oomycetes important ki dia ase something about python sorry কেটামান example দিয়া আছে around 5 in your PDF ক'ত দিয়া আছে PDF ত পাঁচটামান example দিয়া আছে গোটেইকেইটা important তাৰ ভিতৰত first 3 very important first 3 or first 4 Phytophthora infestans is an example of oomycetes causative organism of Clear? Question কেনেকে আহে? Late blight of potato, positive organism কি? Positive organism is Phytophthora infestans, right? Or Phytophthora infestans causes dash disease. It causes late blight of potato. So disease section, question keneke ahe? You are asked to identify whether the disease is bacterial in origin, fungal in origin, or viral in origin, right? কোনটো মাইক্ৰোঅৰ্গানিজমে কজ কৰিছে, মাইক্ৰোপ্লাজমাই কজ কৰিছে নে বেক্টেৰিয়াই কজ কৰিছে নে ফাংগাই নে ভাইৰাছ। সো এনেকুৱা কোৱেশ্চন আহিব পাৰে, late blight of potato is an example of dash disease, bacterial disease, viral disease, mycoplasmal disease, fungal disease. So you have to remember that it is an example of a fungal disease, and what is the fungi who is responsible? Phytophthora infestans. Phytophthora infestans is an example of a lower fungi that is Fumicutes. As far as the class is concerned, class of even question a point to more. Here,
Ma'am, late blight of potato to কেনেকুৱা disease মানে কি হয় তাত?
blight disease. So, first is, what is the symptom of the disease? What is all this generally? Whatever information is given in your MCRT, we'll stick to that. Even then, for information's sake, if you want to know about blight disease, no? Blight mane ki? You see the leaf, and in the leaf, some areas look as if it got burnt. Joli joar nisnake dekha pa. Normal green colored leaf to kisman patch thakibo or patch black. Joli gole cell black jenukwa hoy. That is what is called as blight disease. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
symptoms, right? Don't go into details. Just read the causative organism. Next question that could be asked is, maybe a question like this: late blight of potato can be cured by. Jadi eral gosor late blight hoise, tumi ki diba? Chemical diba? Chemical chemical. Fungicide. Since it's a fungal disease. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So these 5 examples, first, second, a disease called as damping of disease. Damping of disease kune cause kore? So PDF on a very important. Third important is a disease called as green ear disease of Bajra. Green ear disease of Bajra kune kore? Sclerospora. SCLEROSPORA. There's no point of writing it down because once you get the PDF, you get everything there, right? So that you keep a note in your copy, write it, that you have to study these. Aro, eta birat important disease from this section. Very important. Janake eto birat important. Second important is, second bully no call. This is very, very important. White rust in crucifer. Kune cause kore? Elbugo. Elbugo candida. Elbugo candida or Cystophus candidus. Maximum question has been asked about this one. Elbugo candida causes what? Etia swa crucifer boli kwa loge lage. What is crucifer? Crucifer ki hoy? Group of plants that belongs to which family? It belongs to the family called as Cruciferae. Cruciferae mane nothing but Brassicaceae. Brassicaceae family at an example kwa. Give me one example of Brassicaceae. You don't know or you forgot? Okay. The hint is, what is the scientific name of mustard? Mustard your scientific name ki? Okay. Have you heard something called as Brassica campestris? শুনা নাই নে পাহৰি গলো সব okay please read okay Swa crucifer is a group of plant right that belongs to which family cruciferae cruciferae is the other name for Brassicaceae Brassicaceae কি হয় এটা family Brassicaceae family to আৰু এটা নাম আছে তাক কি বুলি কওঁ cruciferae One example of Brassicaceae, mustard. Mustard or scientific name ki Brassica campestris. Now, the question could be asked like this. The causative organism for white rust in mustard. White rust in crucifers. Crucifer word to nidi pelai. White rust in mustard could be the question. Or white rust in Brassicaceae could be the question. Or white rust in Brassica campestris or white rust in Brassica. Gutegita means the same. And what is the causative organism? Albugo candida. Is it here? So, examples আছে এইটোৰ question আহিছে এইটোৰ question আহিছে Crucifer Cruciferae আৰু Brassicaceae same thing any questions until here
No, ma'am.
okay next is examples of zygomycetes given in the PDF তা পঢ়ি লবা তাৰ ভিতৰত সবতছে important হ'ল rhizopus আৰু mucor called as black red mold and another example is mucor or a specific species mucoids or mucido mucor mucido তাক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ dung mold or dung mold. So, zygomycetes, rhizopus, and mucor is important. Any questions up till here?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next is one point about Ascomyces. Ascomyces bilake কি produce কৰে? Spores produce কৰে, right? Next is sexual reproduction তাহাঁতৰ কেনেকে হয়? Somatogamy through হয়, right? Next is ascospores বিলাক ক'ত থাকে?
Ascus.
Ascospores, okay. Inside ascus, in ascospores, inside ascus, or ascus, what থাকে? Ascosporot, right? In Ascomyces, what you have to talk is types of ascoscarp. A portion to পঢ়িব লাগিব means what how does the ascocarp look like in different ascomyces you see different structures type of ascocarp number 1 cup shaped so a word to পঢ়িব লাগিব cup shaped ascocarp is called as to পঢ়িব লাগিব apothecium it's found in maybe one example One example is Eliza. Question किया है? A cup-shaped ascocarp is called as. If the ascocarp is flask-shaped, a flask-shaped ascocarp is called as peritheecium, right? And it is found in Neurospora, Ericyphe, etc. So key important, flask-shaped peritheecium. Sometimes the ascocarp could be a closed structure. Closed ascocarp is called as Clistothecium, right? Clistothecium is found in Neurospora. Example in one important নহয়, closed structure, Clistothecium. Understood? So ascocarp to all of our something exists, no? And inside this, what we have seen is the ascus and we see the spores. But not necessarily always like this. So ascocarp, different shape of thakibo pare. It could be cup shaped also. Right? So if the ascocarp is in this shape, A ascocarp to ভিতৰতে কি থাকিব? One second, let me draw it properly. Right? So inside the ascocarp, what you will see is ascus. Maybe like this. Inside the ascus, what you will see? Ascospores. Right? Ascospores বিলাক থাকিব, তাৰ লগতে কিছুমান sterile tissues থাকিব। এটাক কি বুলি কৈছো? Paraphysis. Paraphysis. এই গোটেইটো কি হয়? Ascocarp. Ascocarpৰ ভিতৰত কিছুমান sterile tissues থাকে। What is the function of this paraphysis? Dispersion of this ascospores. When the ascus bursts, the ascospores will come out and disperse koribole. Who will help? It is the paraphysis. What is paraphysis? These structures. Paraphyses are always sterile. Aru etu ki hoy? Obviously ascus. And these are ascospores. So this is a cup-shaped ascocarp. The point of writing paraphysis is, what you need to remember is, whenever we are talking about the fruiting body, whatever fruiting body it might be, whenever we are talking about the fruiting body does not only contain fertile tissues, but it also contains certain types of sterile tissues. এটা fruiting body ভিতৰত অকল যে fertile cells বিলাকে থাকিব বা reproductive cells বিলাকে থাকিব বা reproduction important cells বিলাকে থাকিব, not necessary. Together with the fertile cells, you have the sterile cells also. In case of ascocarp, we have seen sterile cells in the form of paraphysis. In case of another structure, maybe if suppose আমি যদি sporangiosperm বা sporangiumৰ কথা কওঁ ন, remember we have drawn like this at a structure. ইয়াতে কি আছিলে?
Yes.
Sporangio. Spores is a jagakhini, this portion, right? Columella, and this is sporangiophore, and this whole structure is called sporangium. Yate swa fertile tissues কোনবিলাক? এই spores বিলাক হ'ল fertile. এই columella খিনি এটা যিমানবোৰ tissues আছে, ঠিক আছে, তাহাঁতক আমি কি বুলি কৈছো? Sterile. So diagram kita kiyo disu, just so that you remember that whenever we are talking about a fruiting body, not necessarily যে অকল fertile tissues এ থাকিব. It also contains certain type of sterile tissues. Depending on the fruiting body, the names are different. In case of this, we have columella. In case of this, we have paraphysis. Clear?
মেম এই যে স্পোৰ্টছটো বাৰ্ষ্ট হৈ পেলাই কি হ'ব বুলি ক'লে ষ্টেৰাইল টিস্যুটো লগত
disperse এইটোৰ ভিতৰত স্পৰ্ছ বিলাক আছে ন এক্সপাছটো যেতিয়া ফাটি যাব স্পৰ্ছ বিলাক ওলাই যাব লাগিব নালাগে
লাগিব
থাকিব সো দূৰলৈ খুদে পঠাই দিব কোনোবাইতে হেল্প কৰিব লাগিব ন যাতে নেকি হি দূৰত পৰকৈ so it is the paraphysis যদি ব্ৰায়োফাইট সেকশনটোত পঢ়িছা মস ক্যাপসুল পঢ়িছা নেকি if you go through that moss capsule তাতে চাবাচোন পেৰিষ্টম টিথ বুলি কিবা এটা বস্তু আছে inside the moss capsule ক'ত পাবা planting the bryophytes ঠিক আছে সো কিছুমান এনেকুৱা স্ট্ৰাকচাৰছ থাকে যোনবিলাকে spores disperse help কৰে in case of moss you see the peristome teeth right in case of lower bryophytes you see something called as elaters or pseudo elaters in case of this we see structures like paraphysis etc etc is it clear
yes ma'am
right and
Yes, ma'am.
next is আজি আমি ascomycetes লকে কৰিলো examples of ascomycetes are important in the next class we'll be talking about some points about basidiomycetes right let's see how much we can finish the next class by that time তোমালোকে pdf খন পাই যাবা and any questions from your side
no ma'am
No,
No.
ma'am.
okay did you get an idea as to how to study this portion
Yes, ma'am.
কেনেকে এইখিনি
Yes, ma'am.
আনসাৰ পাৰ্টটো পঢ়িবা I think you have got the idea right okay so please study okay thank you for today we'll meet on the next class
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
okay welcome
Thank you, ma'am.